Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine there. Students, today we will study chapter number 4, keyboard, special key, but by practical. Today I will tell you by practical this chapter. Okay? Our first key is alphabet key. See student, this is your keyboard and these are alphabet key. See, these are alphabet key. Q, W, E, R, T. These are called alphabet key. These are 26 alphabets on a keyboard. Through alphabet keys, we can type letters, words and sentences with the help of alphabet key. Suppose we can type like I, suppose my, wait, I increase the font now. My font is small, I think so. My name is Ajay. So you can write with these alphabet keys letters, number, word, sentence. Okay? So these are called alphabet keys. Now number keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. These all are called number key. 0, that is from 0 to 9. Number keys are present just above the alphabet key. Just above the alphabet key, these are called number keys. And on the right side of the keyboard, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just to the right side of the keyboard, this is called numeric key. These are number keys and these are numeric keys. Okay? Through number keys, you can type your age, roll number, house number, or you can type your phone number. First, you can type your age, like you are 7 years old or 8 years old. This is your age. Now you can type your roll number, 23, 32, whatever. Now you can type your house number, 1168 or 2303, or you can type your phone number, 9536252411. This is my phone number. So you can type your roll number, phone number, age and roll number. So these are number keys. Next is special keys. In special key, this is the very longest key. See everyone? This is the very longest key, and very longest key is space bar. This is called space bar. The space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between the text. Suppose you write, my name is Ajay. You want to give a space between M and Y. So you just press between the M and Y and press the space bar. The space comes between M and Y. Got it everyone? Okay. You want to give more space between M and Y. Again press the space bar. See a difference between space between M and Y. Next is caps lock key. Students, see, this is the caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. Suppose you want to write something like press the caps lock key once. The light will turn on. See, the light will turn on. Now you can type in capital form. I live in Karnal. So, I live in Karnal comes in capital. This is the function of caps lock key. Now another is enter key. If you want to come the next line, so just press the enter key. This is the enter key. See everyone? This is the enter key and two enter key on the keyboard. One is this and one is this. Two enter key on the keyboard. If you want to come the next line, so just press the enter key. If you want to, your cursor is here and you want to come the next line, you want your cursor the next line, just press the enter key. Your cursor comes next line. Got it everyone? Now next is arrow key. These four are called arrow key. This is up arrow key, down, right and left. So these are called arrow key. If you want to go up, just press the upper key. Your cursor go up. If you want to go down, just press the down key. Your cursor go down. If you want to go right, just press the right arrow key. Your cursor go right side. If you want to go left side, your cursor press the arrow key left and your cursor go left. Next is backspace key. See, this is the backspace key. The backspace key erases the letter to the left side. Your cursor is here. Backspace key erases the letters to the left side. Press the backspace key and the letter deleted to the left side. See. Press the backspace key and the letters delete to the left side. Now next is delete key. Students, where is delete key? Find out. See, this is the delete key. The delete key erases the letter to the right side. Suppose your cursor is here. You want to delete the sentence. Just press the delete key and your letters erase from the right side. See, I just press the delete key and the letters delete from the right side. Got it everyone? Now next is combination key. In combination key, shift. This is shift key. See everyone, this is shift key. If you want this exclamation mark, just press the shift and your exclamation mark come here. Press the shift key and press 1. Your exclamation marks come here. Or you want a dollar sign, just press the shift key and press 2. So your dollar sign come. If you want to and press hash. Hash comes on your screen. Now next is punctuation key. These are called punctuation key. See, these are called punctuation key. Dot, comma, question mark. These are called punctuation key. Dot, comma, and question mark. Now, last one is control key. This is control key, students. This is control key. If you want to cursor to the top of the document, just press the control and press home. Your cursor go up. Both press. Control and home. Your cursor goes up. And if you want to move your cursor to the end of the document, press control and end. Your cursor goes down. So student, this is your chapter keyboard special key. You just practice on your computer. Thank you. Have a nice day.